Hello. Okay, I'm gonna try to record this. I've tried recording it a few times and it's not working, so hopefully I can get through this one. My name is Mrs. Schiffler. I am the Biology 1 teacher and Environmental Science teacher here at WCHS. I'm just going to show you very quickly how to get onto PowerSchool, how to kind of work the things that I will have you use in class, and then we'll be done. Just wanted to get this out to you so you can see how to work this. So when you are logged into your Chromebook and you are logged into your school email, you will see your icon, whatever you have selected as yours, to pop up. And next to that, you will see what Google refers to as the waffle, which are your Google apps. And when you click on that at the very bottom, so again, I'm logged in, waffle, clear to the bottom, you will see you will see PowerSchool Unified Classroom. This is where all of your grades will be for this year for all of your classes. So this is the screen that will populate, and you do not need any of this. The only thing you need is right here, sign in with Google. So I will click on that. And it's going to ask me if I'm logged into more than one Google account, which one I want. So I will log in. If you have not used your password that day, it will probably ask you for your password as well. You will use your school password. It will populate, and up here, I believe it will say all classes for you. For me, it just takes my first period class and populates the screen. When you click on this drop-down menu up here at the center, you will see every class that you are in. So if we look at just first semester, here are the classes that I teach. So for first semester, you'll see Bio 1, Period 3, Period 5, 6, 7, and so on. So I'm going to go into Period 7 just for fun. In Period 7, you will see up here, you have your agenda for the day. Are there any events going on? Are there any assignments? Down here, you will see your grades for this class. Right here, it shows you the spread for that class for me. Over here, you will see any assignments that are upcoming or are past due. And then you will also see down here any announcements. And I do put out quite a few announcements. They are typically significant, something like tests are graded and in the grade book. Go check out what you got. I'm missing a lot of this assignment. Please be sure you get that handed in. So over here, you will see everything. I did update it today. Depending on when you're watching this, but I updated it for my class today because we're getting close to the end of the semester. So I will put a lot of information there. And then the place that I use all the time, every single day pretty much you will be on here. If you're quarantined, this is where you will be, is class pages. So when you click on class pages, the main screen that populates will be our current unit. So right now we are working on cells, so that will be the page that will populate. On this page, you will see everything important for right now to get an overview of it. So you will see our agenda, what we expect to have for this schedule, and then you'll see after Thanksgiving break, we came back as hybrid because of coronavirus. So you will see that track A has a schedule and track B has their own schedule. So you will see whichever track you're on, you can get on there and see what's going on. On the days you're not here, let's say you're track B and it's Wednesday, the 9th. So you will go on there and you will see that it says to finish concept 3 notes and that you're going to begin your cancer stations. The cancer stations might not be posted this day, so we will probably wait and do those on Thursday. But it's all here. So concept 3 notes, I'll show you where to find it. Everything you need is all in this one place. You'll see there's supplemental videos off to the side if you need them or want them to help you learn the concept. There are Zoom links to each period. So if you're in 7th period on Fridays, you will Zoom in for that class period. So you will click on that link and it'll take you straight to the Zoom meeting. And we're not going to worry about that for right now. Which I was just saying we won't worry about this Google form for right now. Sorry. The Zooms you need to be at. This cell unit assignments off to the left under cells. So again, I'm here right now. I want to go to cell unit assignments. This is where all of your assignments are posted. At the top is anything fresh and new, organelle project. There was a lab assignment they had a while back that I posted some information to. This is actually newer, so I need to actually move this up. So the microscope lab we just finished today in class, depending on the day you're reading this or watching this, but This we did today, so I'll put that at the top. Organelle project is something we did previously. Their study guides are linked here. All their worksheets are in order based on when they were assigned here. And down here, they're posted by due date. So don't get that confused. And then at the very bottom, you will see notes packets, and you will never turn in notes for me. But let's say you were here and you weren't here for notes, but you need to get them done. You will click again on the blue font of whatever concept you need to do. And then it'll say concept 3 notes cells, and then it will have your name after it. So mine would say Peyton Schiffler. There's a vertical line, and then it has view original. You want to click on this one that has your name in parentheses on it, because you'll be able to type directly on that. So I'll open this. And on the very first slide, down here in the speaker notes, you will see that the video to these notes is linked. So you can actually watch the entire presentation of these notes right here. So be aware of that. If I tell you to do notes, most of the time I just say, go do notes, it's here. It's already linked. You don't need another link to get there. It's right there. So that's how you will watch your notes. Those you will never turn in again, but let's say you just did the cell cycle page 28 and you want to hand it in. So again, type on the, or click on the one that your name is next to. So cell cycle page 28, mine would say Peyton Schiffler. There would be a vertical line, and then it would say view original. So I'm going to click on the one with my name on it, and I can actually type on this. Okay, so when I type on this, I will then, once I'm done, go back to my class pages, and I will click, instead of view work, you will have a one that says hand in. So you will click on hand in, and it'll say attach file or attach from Google Drive. And you will click on attach from Google Drive. If you just got done working on it, it'll be the top thing on that list. You will select it, hit done, and hand in, and then you will get a green check mark. Okay, so you need that green check mark that will say this went through, we got it. Be sure you know how to do that because we will need to be doing that. Your first assignment, if you're wondering if you did it right, just let me know and I can check to see if it came through. And even when I'm out here, yours will say hand in, and it'll have a check mark if it's handed in instead of view work. So that's kind of what's going on there, how to turn in assignments, how to watch video notes. Hopefully that all made sense. If you ever want to check grades, you would just, there's a grades section, or I think if you want to go home, so again, I'm over here on Unified Classroom. When I click this, I can check my grades from my home screen. I think you can. I don't get to see the student view, but I believe that's how that works. Again, if you have questions, let me know. Find a classmate who can help you, but we are here to help. If you need anything, just let me know.